How to use, assemble, and care for the slim triple tree manual coffee grinder. Coffee grinder setup. First, take the white plastic washer and slide it through the rotary shaft. Inserting the washer on either of its sides is okay. Insert the rotary shaft into the hopper at the top. Then take the ABS ring and insert it through the rotary shaft at the bottom, with the ABS ring's square-shaped side going in first. Following the ABS ring is the spring. Inserting the spring on either of its sides is okay. Following the spring is the metal washer. Its 4 legs should be going through the shaft first. Lastly goes on the ceramic burr. Hold the burr in place to put on the coffee grinder handle. This will keep the rotary shaft from turning. Screw in the adjustment knob into the shaft. Its taller side should be going through the shaft first. Screw in clockwise. Then fit the stainless steel ring onto the hopper. The acrylic cover should be going on before the handle. Screw in the glass jar and its black cover pad, and the assembly of your manual coffee grinder is complete. Adjusting the grind. Turning the adjustment knob counterclockwise will give a coarser grind, and turning it clockwise will give it a finer grind. In this video, we will be making a slightly coarse grind. Take the coffee beans or any kind of grain of your choosing and grind. When using the handle, make sure you are turning clockwise in a steady and consistent motion. Going too fast may not be good for the grind or the ceramic burr in the grinder. The grinding process will typically take 10 to 15 minutes. To keep freshness, keep your coffee grounds in a dry and cool area with a cover on the jar. How to care for your coffee grinder. Take apart the pieces of your grinder. Start with the handle, acrylic cover, and glass jar. When holding the top of the rotary shaft in place, unscrew the adjustment knob and remove the ceramic burr, washer, spring, and ABS ring. Take out the rotary shaft and the white washer. When washing, please be mindful of where the small parts are by keeping them in a container. Make sure to use a light detergent or dish soap and give a good rinse. All the parts somewhere to completely dry before it is the next time to grind. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.